Documentary filmmaking is my favorite way to tell stories because it lets me follow my natural curiosity. New York is always an inspiring city to film, and my neighborhood in Lower Manhattan is especially bright and colorful, so I visited a local neon sign maker to see how they're built. When shooting, I like to anticipate my subject. I'll frame up the shot first and then wait for action to come into frame. So I need a camera that's ready when the perfect shot unfolds in front of me. The LUMIX S doesn't compromise on the features I rely on for documentary storytelling. I can record for hours on one battery with no recording limit. I can plug in my headphones and XLR adapter for interviews. In-body image stabilization means I can shoot quickly, handheld, and with the tilt touchscreen, I can be more creative about how I shoot. The 24-105 is a great documentary lens. That range covers wide establishing shots to close-up details. It's the only lens I needed on this project. You should always hunt for the best light, but some stories live in challenging environments. Inside this workshop, there's a lot of dynamic range between the bright lights and dark shadows. But this large sensor gives me great low-light performance. I'm shooting in 4K 60 with a fast shutter, but even at ISO 10,000, the image is really sharp and clean. When I'm telling someone's story, they're placing their trust in me, and the LUMIX S ensures that I'm always showing them in their best light.
Panasonic.